Tigers has scored 15, the UP Fighting Maroons 84-60. The Glowing Tigers are now at 5-1. We have Coach Anyong, Ken Pascalan, and Taki Takata. Coach ID, congratulations for your victory. Although nakalapit yung ng 4 points sa second half. So, ano yung kailangan ko para ma-prep yung mga itong situation?
Sabi ko last game, di ba, we started slow. So ngayon naman, yung first 2 quarters, we started strong. Tapos third na naman, bumagal na naman kami. So, I just told the girls na the big lead that we had no first half was because of our defense. So, the fourth quarter, binalik lang namin yung lead.
You get 21 points, 9 points, 4 assists, and 15 plus 21. So, yun na, medyo yung third quarter, malapit na yung very much good to know the way. So, ano yung kailangan gawin ng team para to avoid this situation in the future?
Yun nga po yung sinasabi naman sa akin. Kailangan namin mga consistent talaga. First to fourth quarter. Kasi hindi pwede first na kami lalaro, second half. Dapat ulit kami yung lalaro. And finish lang kami lalaro.
Thank you. Taki, you have 20 points, 2 rebounds, and plus 15. So, ano masahe ko? This is your best game so far this season. What can you say?
Grateful ako sa Coach Resident sa teammates ko kasi in-encourage nila ako, motivate nila ako na tumira ng malapit kasi yun lang talaga yung strength ko. So yun, I'm very happy na nakakontribute ako sa team today and nagawa ko yung role ko.
Thank you, Taki. Okay,
Coach Yanko has been for the next season. What do you think was lacking in the first few games na nakuha niyo?
I think yung mindset lang kasi kita sometimes, di ba, parang she gets frustrated when off game, but I just talked to her last few days namin na yung pressure, if there's pressure na nararamdaman niya, she has to embrace it para bumalik ulit niya. And she did today, so I'm very happy for that.
For now, of course, as seniors, medyo parang kayo yung hindi na nag-observe sa mga players. Pero of course, kung kayo yung ayaw nila naman sa siguro nila yung defense sa every game. Para tuloy yung development of your university. Kahit may mga meron din kayo younger players.
Of course, may mga rookies na gawin na bago namin nakasalwa namin bago na teammates lang. So, kailangan namin talaga sila mag-believe and kailangan namin sila para sa good example to them. So, yun naman yung ginagawa namin every game. So, if off kami, we cheer them on. So, yun, luckily, nag-aan naman sila na contribute sa team and ginagawa nila yung role and
Ayun, parang sisimulan namin sa training talaga. Doon kami nagsimula kasi kung ano yung ensayo na nilalabas sa game. So, palagi namin sinasabihan na kailangan maging kumpiyansa sa sarili para bigyan din kayo ng opportunity ni coach. Kasi kung ano yung ginagawin sa training, lalabas sa game. So, ayun, so far, okay naman yung mga rookies namin na yung naman sa mga bayan namin.
Yun nga, finally, nakuha mo naman itong video mo. You make 4 students of your work. Gano'n natin kalaki sa kumpiyansa mo yung nakita mo na pumapasok na ulit yung mga player?
Siyempre, sobrang nakikipakita sa akin and sa this upcoming days, for sure yung confidence ko is so yun.
Gusto ka lang yung adjustment na ngayon kasi hindi mo naman kailangan mo yung whole team bilang isang team.
So yun lang, gaya nga ng sinabi ni Ken, hindi naman mahirap i-lead yung mga bata nowadays, the mga rookies natin. So yun lang, mabilis na naman silang luluhan and mabilis silang makatchap mo ang pinuturo namin. Yun lang.
Coach, gano'n ang malaking bagay yung pagtutok ng laki para sa team? Kasi siyempre, isa talaga siya sa inasahan ng special issue.
Sana tuloy-tuloy na yung putok niya, di ba? No, of course, sabi nga, di ba, a shooter will always be a shooter. It will give us more space in our offense kasi talagang nakatutok yung mga defenders kay Taki. So kahit hindi sumushoot si Taki, talagang yung spacing namin have room to operate for kay the Ken at kay yung sa mga players ko na mag-try.
Coach, approach tayo sa halfway mark ng title defense. Siguro looking at the first 6 games, parang how are you like with your chances in terms of at least, parang still be competitive and taking that title parang
Sa Saturday kasi we'll be going against FTU and syempre gusto rin manalo ng FTU, di ba? Kumbaga sa first round, dito yun pumupondo ng mga panalo. So, we have to prepare for them as well and hopefully we'll end the first round on a winning column para momentum namin going into the second round namin. And hopefully we can maintain yung aggressiveness, intensity namin at the start of the game, which I truly miss nung past few games namin. So I'm very happy na gawa ng mga bata.
Coach, ito yung big match ng last year sa final, of course. So, ano yung mindset ng mga girls before the match? Kahit wala si Faith, syempre, alam natin yung hindi papalabas. What's the mindset?
Again, sinabi ko kanina na it's not about UP, it's about us anymore. It's about us playing what the USC way is all about. And with the scouting report, sabi namin, just play your best and just play the USC way. So, para makuha namin yung panalo against UP.
Congratulations.